this hole just turned on.
It's a big job getting by with 9 kids and a wife. Yeah, but I've been a working man dang near all my life, and keep on working as long as my 2 hands are fit to use. I drink my beer at a tavern and sing a little bit of these working man blues. But I keep my nose on the grindstone, work hard every day. Get tired on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back working. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew.
Just came back up, I don't know. Just jumped.
I drank a little beer that evening, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Sometimes I think about leaving, still a little bumming around. Throw my bills out the window, catch me a train to another town, but I go back working. I got to buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. I drink my beer at a tavern and cry a little bit of these working man blues. Here come a working man. Well, hey, the working man like me, never been on welfare, and that's one place he will not be. He'd be working just as long as his 2 hands are fit to use. Might drink a little beer at a tavern, sing a little bit of them working man blues.
Yeah, no, I know we're singing.
This song is working man.
That hot old summer sun make you beg for your next breath. So you best be on the creek bank laid in the shade, chewing on a hickory twig. Pass that bottle, I'll have me a swig. I ain't got a lot, but I think I got it made in the shade. I'm just laid up here in a country state of mind, catching these fish like they're going out of style, drinking this homemade wine. Hey, if the sun don't come up tomorrow, laid up here in a country state of mind. You know the rednecks and the preppies, they're in their discos and honky-tonks, somewhere between raising hell and amazing grace. Lord, I know just how they feel. You gotta get out and kick up your heels. And ain't it great to